Hello students and viewers, you are all welcome to my online class. This online class is brought to you by Shahid A.Ali Academy, Rangamati Shodo Rangamati. Dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Thanks to God. I am in front of you again with your online class. Due to COVID-19, we are staying at home. We can't go our dear institute, Shahid A.Ali Academy. Although we are staying at home, we have to continue our studies. So, take preparation for the next announcement by the government. I am coming to my class. Dear students, introduction. Beginning of the class, I would like to introduce you about myself. I am MD.MUSLIM, Uddin, Assistant Headmaster, A.Ali Academy, Rangamati. This is your subject introduction, English for today, Class-8, Unit-3, Lesson-6. Dear students, I am going to the next slide. Look at this picture. What is he doing in the picture? Give. I hope you can give. Take a look at the board. What is the man doing? I am going to the next slide. The man is doing exercise. Here is also another picture. Look at what is the man doing. He is also doing exercise. So our today's topic is physical exercise. Unit-3, Less-6, page 27 and 28. Yes, friends. Look at the screen. After completing this lesson, you will be able to read and understand text so silently, listen for information, ask and answer questions, inform about new word meaning, write a paragraph. Yes, students. Here are some keywords for you. We should know the synonym of this word. Look at this screen. Stitching. Here is a picture. A boy is stitching his hand. The extent. Stitching means the extent. In Bangla we can say প্রসারিত করা. He is stitching his different parts of the body. Look at this picture. Next, benefit, advantage or profit. Exercise gives us a numerous benefit. More vocabulary for you. Regularity, continuation. When we do our work or duties just time, it is called regularity, continuation. He came to see her with increasing regularity. Here is a word, careful. Look at this picture. The girl is very careful. She is laughing. Jolly. In sentence we can say, physical exercise makes you strong and cheerful. Students, listen to the text carefully and answer the following questions. Here is the text for you. Listen it very carefully. Then you have to answer some questions followed by the text. Mr. Pranay Larma, the physical teacher of Rupur High School, is talking about health to his students. What things are necessary for good health? He asked the student. We need a lot of things, teacher. Say, Rusha. We need healthy food, proper rest, and sleep. We also have to be clean and tidy. Good, says Mr. Luck. These are the things you need for good health. But another thing that you also need is regular physical exercise. What types of physical exercise can we do, teacher? Asked Right. Well, says Mr. Larma, these are different kinds of physical exercise. You can do them indoors as well as outdoors. In the house, you can do some free hand exercises. That is, you can stretch different parts of your body. Outside, you can play, swim, or simply walk. Why do we need physical exercise, teacher? Asked Rajan. Well, says Mr. Lama, the benefits of physical exercises are many. The greatest of them is that it keeps you fit for work. It also gives you energy and makes you strong and cheerful. It teaches you regularity and discipline as well. Yes, friends, I hope you have listened the text very carefully. Now I am going to the next walk. Look at this screen. Answer the following questions. Here are some questions for you and try to answer them. This question. I am also giving the answers for you time consideration. Take your exercise book and write them in it. What things are necessary for good health? That is the question. Followed by the answer. A lot of things are necessary for good health. These are healthy food, proper rest and sleep, clean and cleanliness, and above all physical exercise. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমি আশা করছি তোমরা খাতা কলম নিয়ে বসেছ এবং প্রশ্নের উত্তরগুলো খাতায় লিখছ। আশা করি তোমরা লিখে নেবে। পরবর্তীতে পরীক্ষার সময় তোমরা ওই আনসারগুলো পরীক্ষায় দিতে পারবে। I am going to the next question. How many physical exercises are there? কতগুলো শারীরিক কসরত বা physical exercise রয়েছে? Here is the answer. There are different kinds of physical exercise, both indoors and outdoors, like free hand exercise, playing, swimming, walking, etc. Now, another question. Why do we need physical exercise? আমাদের physical exercise এর প্রয়োজন কেন? Answer. We need physical exercise to keep ourselves fit for work, to get energy, to be strong and cheerful, to learn regularity and discipline, etc. For this, we have to do physical exercise. Next question. Number 4. What physical exercise do we do? Answer. We generally do free hand exercises, swimming and walking. Number 5. Do you have physical education teacher in your school? How does he or she help you to do physical exercise? Answer. Yes, we have a physical education teacher in our school. Yes, you know, we have also a physical education teacher in our school. He teaches us various types of free hand exercises before we start our class. Thus, he helps us to do physical exercise. Yes, students, I hope you have written the answer of these questions in your exercise book. It will help you in your exam. Now, I am going to the next slide. Look at this. In personal work or individual work, there are different things that are that for good health. Physical exercise is that of them. It is very important. It keeps our body that for work. It also gives us that and makes us strong and cheerful. So we all should dash physical exercise. Now I am completing this sentence for you. Look at, here is a word necessary. There are different things that are necessary for good health. Physical exercise is in B, we see one of them. Physical exercise is one of them. It is very important. It keeps our body fit for work. In C, we see fit. It also gives us that in that we see energy and makes us strong and cheerful. So we all should in E, we see take physical exercise. I hope you have written this. Fill in the blanks in your exercise book. I am going to the next slide. Look at this student. Perceptual walk. Here is a list of some physical exercise. এখানে কিছু physical exercises তালিকা রয়েছে. In number 1, playing. Number 2, swimming. Number 3, skipping. Number 4, wrestling. Number 5, jogging. Number 6, walking. Number 7, speaking. Number 8, hiking. Now, write in your exercise book which one are indoor exercises, which are outdoor, and which one can be done both indoor and outdoor. Then tell which one or ones you like and why. Here is the list. Like this, you have to make a table in your exercise book and keep the right exercises in right position, and you have to tell which one or ones you like and why. Write it in your exercise book. Find your regular classes will begin. Then we will see what you have written. In box number 1, we see indoor exercise. In box number 2, outdoor exercise. In box number 3, both indoor and outdoor. So do this work. Now I am going to the next slide. Summary of the passage. What we have learned from this passage. Write down this summary in your exercise book. The physical teacher of Nupur High School, Mr. Pranay Arma, and the students are talking about health and physical exercise. According to them, we need healthy food, proper rest, sound sleep, and cleanliness for our sound health. Regular physical exercise is also important for sound health. The benefits of physical exercises are many. However, physical exercise can be done indoors as well as outdoors. Now I am going to the next slide. What we have learned from this test, from this lesson today. Now I am going to evaluate it. Number 8, what does the word necessary mean? Valueless, expensive, urgent, desired. Yes, students. The answer is urgent. Which one is indoor physical exercise? Football, cricket, hockey, table tennis. The answer will be table tennis. What is needed to walk? I hope the answer is strength, smartness, cleanliness, dress. The word proper means accurate, local, global, rare. Which answer is correct? Correct. Accurate. Number 8. People need regular exercise. Regular is the opposite of irregular, irregularity, unregular. The answer is irregular. What does the word CD refer to? I hope the answer is clean. What kind of food should we eat? Healthy food. I am going to the next slide. Yes, then. Here is a homework for you. Write down it in your exercise book and complete it. Write a letter to your friend about the benefit of physical exercise. Yes, students. So, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Due to COVID-19, you have to stay at home. Keep yourself clean and your family should be clean. Stay home, stay safe. If you go outside, you have to wear a mask. Thank you very much. See you again. in your next class. Thank you.